Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off live transcribe shortcut in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on advanced settings and then click on accessibility button. Now here click on select actions and then scroll down and here to add live transcribe shortcut, tap on live transcribe and then it will be selected and added to the shortcut menu. So now you can see the live transcribe shortcut is turned on, and if you want to turn off this live transcribe shortcut, then just simply tap on live transcribe again to deselect it, and after deselecting it, the live transcribe shortcut will be turned off. So that's how you can turn on or turn off live transcribe shortcut in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.